Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental skills in Python, reading file. Whether you are working with text data for NLP, logs or any other purpose, knowing how to read file is essential. I will walk you through a simple example step by step explaining every detail so you can follow along. Let's get started. First, I am going to make a variable file and then I will call the function open. Inside this, I will pass the file name which is sample.txt. Then I will pass the parameter r which is for read mode, and then I will pass another parameter encoding. This is going to be UTF-8. Let me execute the code and I will explain you the parameters. So file is the variable name we are assigning to the file object. You can name it anything like my file or anything. Open takes at least one parameter, the file path, and here it is sample.txt, which is a text file in the same directory as our script. If the file was in subfolder, you would use something different. The second parameter is the R, which stands for read mode. Encoding UTF-8 is crucial for text file. Encoding specify how characters are represented. UTF-8 is the standard for handling special characters, accents, or non-English text. Now, let's go to the next file. So, next line, I will make a variable text and then I will call this file, and from this I will call the function read. So it will read the entire content of the file and store it in the variable text. And let me execute the code. And also I have to close this. So first I will write here file dot close. Now this will close the file connection. This is important because open file consumes system resource. Always close file after use to avoid memory leaks or conflicts. Now let me execute this code and let me print this. So I will just call print and then text, and here in the output you can see this is the text file that I have for reading, sample.txt. It has some content, and you can also check its type. It should be string. I will write here type of text. So you can see that it is a string. Now that's the basic of reading a file in Python. Remember, this is for text file. For binary files like images, use mode RB. Practice with different files and always handle errors with try except block. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.